Bluetooth controlled robot using Arduino. In this project, the basic idea of the concept is a robot was controlled using Bluetooth. Actually, it's a mini project which was developed by one of our trained students. In this project, we use Arduino as the main controller. The Arduino was simply connected with a Bluetooth device and a motor driver. Through the motor driver, a robotic model, that a robotic car was designed, and the motors were connected to the driver circuit, and the power source will be a lithium-ion battery. So here the Bluetooth was connected to a mobile application. From the mobile application, we can control this entire robot model up to 15 meters. Here that Arduino microcontroller was programmed. So programmed like whenever the commands received from the mobile application, like left, right, or forward, backward, using that command, the data was processed by the microcontroller, and according to that, the robot vehicle will move forward, backward, left, and right. So this is a basic model. We can update this model into several applications for surveillance, for load carrying kind of thing. In real-time industry also we can use this project. And if you require these type of projects, please contact us. Thank you.